Hello everyone, I am Mukul Padgaonkar, and in this video I will be sharing with you one of my online chess games which I played. As you can see that my opponent is 1149 rated and I am just 1018. I am quite underrated. I was quite underrated when I played this game. And let's have a look at this game. I am playing with black pieces. The time control is 2 by 1, that is 2 minutes game, 1 second increment for every move. My opponent played d4, knight to f6, bishop f4, knight to c6, e3, g6, knight to c3, d6. This is Indian game which I am playing. Knight to f3, and we are just developing our pieces. Bishop to g4, pinning the knight, unpinning, and I exchanged my bishop for his knight. e5, striking in the center. D takes on e5, d takes on e5, queens were exchanged. Bishop to g3, bishop to d6, bishop takes knight, check, b takes on c6. My opponent castled queenside, knight to g4. He played knight to e4, attacking my bishop. His knight is well placed. I continued with h5, and my opponent played h3. We have reached a very interesting position in this game. My knight is under attack, and I was not sure where to move my knight, so I was thinking and I said to myself, brace yourself. That's what I said, and I continued with h4. And now this pawn which you are seeing on h4 will be the star of the show. He continued with pawn takes knight. I captured his bishop and I sacrificed my rook. Rook takes on h8, check. King to e7 was played, and he simply exchanged his rook because now he is ahead in material. He is up a whole rook. He continued to simplify the game. He captured my bishop. I captured his knight. Rook takes on d6. This is check. King to e7. Rook takes on c6, and just have a look at this pawn. Pawn takes on f2. Just one step away from the promotion square, and my opponent was having a tough time thinking about the pawn. I mean, as you can see, he's having 1.22 seconds and I'm having 1.21. After this move, rook to c7, he's just having 49 seconds with him. And now this is a very tricky position. Where should I place my king? Because if I play king to d6, then rook takes pawn. So I played king to f6, defending my pawn and also not allowing the rook to enter this f file and stop the promotion of my pawn. He played rook to c6, check again, and simply king to g5, and there is no way rook can come to this f file and stop the pawn push. So this pawn which was on h4 is now on f2 and will soon be promoted to f1 to a queen. This is the key position. This was the position when I pushed my pawn. My opponent simply resigned because there is no way to stop this pawn. I hope you liked this game. This was quite interesting game, and it is very challenging to find these moves in a 2x1 time control in a rapid or bullet game. So I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.